Bonjour and welcome back to my channel again. Today I am bringing you an amazing recipe of Perilla Seeds chutney. It's a dry chutney that you can use for various recipes. Let's begin the show. Heat a wok fairly well and pour the Perilla seeds. I've used both the brown and white Perilla seeds. Roast it until it gives off a nutty flavor. The roasted seeds are ground and a lot of spices are mixed to it and stored in a jar. The color has changed now and I will transfer it onto a large steel tray. The rest of the spices are also toasted lightly and you don't burn them, that's why keep an eye. I will explain the benefits of eating the seeds and the leaves of this wonderful plant. In the Gorkha tradition, we call the seeds Silam, and Silam has been used as a superfood for centuries by my ancestors. One part of the roasting is done now. I'm dry roasting a couple of spices, which is like white mustard seeds or yellow mustard seeds, a pinch of fennel seeds, 4 red chilies whole, 1 garlic pod, pinch of onion seeds, small mustard seeds, then this tiny variety of mustard seeds again. So this is going to be roasted gently and not too much because we don't want to overcook it or anything like that. My stone grinder is also ready. One more ingredient which I'm adding to this mix is my special Pahari noon, which has a lot of spices and herbs. So I have my little setup here, and this is where I'm going to, the roasted spices, I'm going to just transfer it here and then I'll grind it. Any kind of pickle or chutney, even if it's dry, needs a lot of salt to preserve it. I have ground this coarsely. You don't need to grind it finely because it doesn't need fine grinding. You need little bits and pieces of the spices, Here I'm making a grated radish and green chili chutney using my roasted perilla seeds with the spices. Watch along. And that's what makes it special. A little crunch goes a long way. I'm slitting 8 to 10 green chilies and I have already grated the radish and squeezed out the water. I have given everything a very good mix and added the right amount of salt and just squeezed some ripe lemon also. So it's come out really juicy and wonderful. You can store the dried Perilla seeds on an airtight jar and use it for any preparation, for your salads, for your curds, for your dips, for creating different kind of pickles and spices. See, it's looking so wonderful. This one is a bowl of banana flowers with my Perilla seed chutney. It is so much better than eating stale gravy in restaurants. Try my Perilla Seeds recipe and leave your thoughts in the comment box. Coming up in my next video will be a recipe of banana flowers. It's a banana flower salad. We call it banana achar or bunga ko achar. And I have kept a video of this in one of my old videos, but this is going to be a new take. So keep on watching and supporting my channel. Thank you. Au revoir. Bonne nuit.